Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this part of series, today I'm starting with the challenge 1 video. So this challenge 1 video I'm using with the database called as the AdventureWorks 2019 uh, database. So this AdventureWorks 2019 database, how we can load to the SQL Server. I had done a video, the video called as SQL Server installation and loading the data AdventureWorks. So if you are not looking that video, please look into that video, how we can load the data to AdventureWorks to 2019. Okay. So after loading the data, then we are looking into these challenges. So in this challenge, in this series, I'm doing with 100 challenges for this, like all to cover with beginner, intermediate, and advanced level also. Okay. So let's look into the scenario 1. So the scenario 1 is to get the count of each type of object in AdventureWorks database. Use a SQL statement, sort in descending order of count. So here we have the first count of each type of object in the database. And we'll use with sorting in descending order count. So let's look into the table first. In AdventureWorks database, we are using the table name called as select from this objects select from these objects. So this is the table from the AdventureWorks database. So if I connect, select to star missing, select to star from sys objects. If I execute, I'll get the table called as 132 rows. So in this sys objects table, name, object ID, principal ID, schema ID, parent object ID, type. So mainly we have to count of each type of object. So type called as this one, type and type desc. Okay. So S and S is called as the system table. So we will go with this column type desc. So right now here I will try to give as this enter, and we are giving the type desc, comma, count of star as cnt as the count. Okay. Now we get the count, right? So this is the, we'll get the count. So we are given the type desc. So this one will apply with group by. So group by type desc and order by descending order, sort in descending order of count. So order by cnt. So cnt is the, this is the second column. So order by 2 desc, or else we'll give as like this one also. Instead of 2, count of star as desc. Okay. If I execute, I'll get this one. So I will check with cnt also working or not. I'm not sure this one cnt will work. I think this is alias name. Yeah, cnt also working. So order by cnt desc. Okay. So we'll get with to get the count of each type of object. So this is each type of object. So type desc. So group by and count we are applying with the count function, and sort in descending order called as order by cnt desc. Okay. So this is the first challenge. So let's look into the second challenge, another video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.